CapCut's built-in SFX weren't working out for me, so I found a free workaround and honestly see it done. CapCut's library is fine for basic stuff, but sometimes I need something more specific, something more premium, and it just isn't there. Turns out TikTok has the answer. Head over to TikTok and search for the sound effects you need. Make sure the video you select doesn't have background music, that will make it easier. Now download the video and go to your project in CapCut. Now select audio, then extract, then select the video that you downloaded. That will bring the audio into your timeline like this, and with that you can use it whenever you want, however you want. Personally, this is how I get my sound effects. Let me know how you get yours in the comments.